Okay, we do welcome everybody back, and now we don't enter the moment that they call the cocoa. What's apple? Oh! Yay!
When you sing they just use the magic word.
Izybeatz, you're a wicked boy. You're a wicked boy. Now, all of us have been this particular artist they call Mariah Carey. Mariah Carey, and her former husband Nick Cannon. Nick Cannon. Okay. Because of love, and plenty love, Nick Cannon be carry Mariah Carey tattoo for body. He tattoo her name for him body. Nah, so. But as the marriage they be like this now, based on saying separating things don't happen. Don't involve. And they don't, they don't part ways. Everybody don't find their way. You understand? So Nick Cannon now come the form say, man, look, I'm commoting my Mariah Carey tattoo on my body. Oh. If you see now the full back, the full back now he writes the name. The sweet and that year. Say, man, I love my baby, I love my girl. We die here, nothing they happen. But as a matter be like this now, maybe one of those stories we would like to talk very, very awful. But he say because the whole thing, not too set for 12 them again. So now he had to move on with his life, and they're commoting the tattoo for a body. Well, but if I be you, shall go leave him. If you all leave him, if they bring you good luck somehow. You leave him? Nothing mean anything. So now which girl go there with you go to see another person name for your back? Oh, that one join no. Especially Nigerian girls. Hey, that's the form romance for your body. No, baby, my love. Oh, my love, I love. Turn around for me. You gonna say no, baby, I cannot turn around. Turn around for me now. Yeah, baby, I just turn around. Who is Ekaite? Ekaite, who is she like? Does you are cheating on me with tattoo? You are cheating on me. Baby, it was in the former. In the before. You know, actually, when actually don't enter, no say your life go plenty. Yeah. Actually. Yeah. All right, but sad story for Nick Cannon and Mariah Carey, but either way, we wish them better life. Okay, cocoa number 2. I'm in love with the cocoa. All right, you know, say those days, sometimes they just go drink. You go drink finish, you can't go do anyhow. The next morning, you can't wake up. You say, what happened to me? What happened? Now, so this woman, particular woman, the thing happened to her. Woman. She go get one night stand. Now, be say, for those of them who understand the one night stand things, one night stand, say she maybe one day, she not today okay. So she and person can go involve. Oh, okay. Out of say, I'm emotionally done. Okay. So person and person can go. My brother. Many years after, out of that their swimming things where they go swim, she can't born pikin. So now she don't know who she go do one night stand with. Okay. So like this now. She don't work out go internet. So you find the person papa, the pikin papa say, who you be oh? Please, if you know say on the 23rd of April 1990, please, if me and you go touch light, I beg. Come, you don't want begin. Come your goose. You know, from where you don't deposit things, something don't come out from the whole thing. But it they make me always tell people say they very careful. Especially maybe when you drink, or maybe when you don't go, you don't high. They very careful because repercussion can take place. Because now she's gonna call different guys though. Some of her friends say, Izybeatz. No, wait till happen now. Easy. One night, did we kiss? Easy. Okay, from kiss, we do anything. Now say, come on, what's wrong with you, baby? Come on, no, not me. You know, before she can't do. You know how many lists you could hold from hand every day? Yeah. Maybe na Johnson, no. Or now Obi Martins. You know, there's. But what if the person where she sleep with that is still drink? Not true. Two drunks. They go no. But please, they very, very careful. When they do all those things, I bet they very, very careful. One night stand thing, nobody I go ever say make anybody go involved for. Just keep emotions in check. I beg. All right. So at this level, ladies and gentlemen, we'll come on march onto the cocoa things. We'll come back. We'll bring our first guest. They're very beautiful. Juliet, Ibrahim. She go inside the building. Oh no, go anywhere. They come back.
When you sing about who you like, make her tell them the cocoa. 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 When you sing about who you like, they just use the magic word.
Yes, so my better people, now welcome again to the late night show. And I did here to ask people a simple question, make them help me, tell me in one word what they feel about their mother. Yesterday, actually International Women's Day, so I had to go ask people what they think about their mother in one word. Yep. Yeah, I don't catch some people for here, so we'll ask them that simple question. So, hello.
Yeah, hi.
In one word, what do you think about your mama?
She's the best.
Boss, in one word, what do you think about your mama?
Man, she's beautiful. She's beautiful.
Okay, boss, in one word, what do you think about your mama?
I think she's a perfectionist.
In one word, what do you think about your mama?
My mama's super.
Yes, we see they record, we see they go around. Won't ask people what do they feel about their mother. In one word, okay, what do you think about your mama?
She's the most beautiful, most caring, most superwoman in the world.
Okay, boss, in one word, what do you think about your mama?
Beautiful and food.
In one word, what do you think about your mama?
Slap and love.
Okay, boss. I mean,
Yeah.
in one word, what do you think about your mama?
She's the best. She's the best.
Okay, right now, when I don't hear what people get to talk about this issue, so many things to say about their mom. Means I get plenty to talk about my mom, but I'm not going to talk right now. So we'll still continue the late night show. Make an enjoy the rest of the show. I don't come over here.
All right, now welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now still the late night show. Jacob, thank you very much for that particular one like this. All right, the moment, the hour, you have come. And we are to bring in the very, very beautiful. Izybeatz, you know how to do that? So that's a very, very beautiful somebody. Actually, when you are short of words, you can just rumble your mouth. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, please make una help me welcome the beautiful, the every Juliet Ibrahim. Hey, Juliet, we will dance first. We will dance first. You are welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey. Oh, Juliet, one more, please. One more, please. Oh! God. Hey! Juliet, please sit down, please. Oh! Hey! All right, thank you. Izybeatz, tell me Ogbolor compose.
Ogbolor compose.
Compose. You tell me that you
Compose. Face and look at face.
Wait first now. They don't small wear glasses. What's wrong to you?
Okay.
Hey!
Okay.
Juliet, how far? Juliet, how far now?
Go again.
Hey, voice. Oh my God. Hey. Okay, Ogbolor, compose yourself.
Compose.
Behave yourself.
Compose.
Juliet, how far now?
Your name is what?
Ogbolor. You can call
It
it
sounds
very...
like Ogbolo.
Ogbolo.
Do you know what that means in Ghana?
What's it now on me for Ghana? Ogbolo.
A fat person.
A fat person. Maybe
Like
my former
overweight.
life I fat. Maybe my former life I just add weight somewhere in between.
Maybe you go do that very soon.
Maybe, but nobody from my family actually fat too. For my family, everybody, they just get one kind moderate body, you know. Some of us, they grab like this. They get small chest like this. They work on that one. Personally, you know, they work on that one. I'm not the gym now, but last time, I don't carry my phone. After I go carry dumbbells. So can't carry phone, can't they hard like this. So it's not the too good for me like that. Juliet, welcome.
Thank you.
Why you fine like this?
I don't know.
I don't know, that the first question I go ask, why you fine like this?
My God.
Because okay, so na God, na God, because na be the creator of every. Because we know say some people don't know. Some people just the reason you from Ghana side, but some don't know say Lebanese blood dey inside. You can't grow up for like Ivory Coast, some kind, and your mom seen like Liberian and so different African blood.
We enter Nigeria.
Things. Hey, so This whole mixing now, how you take you know full Africa like this?
Echo wasabi.
You know echo. Actually, now echo wasabi, you know. But now very very good Tisha. But how you take the cuts across your Ghana Lebanese side?
I just manage.
You manage your thing. Yeah. Because again, how person go take, you know, day onto this level reach, you go to say, well, I just a manager.
I just a manager.
Anything. But which side the rep pass? Which side the rep
Ghana.
pass? Any reason why the rep Ghana pass?
Because maybe where I was born.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because they drop you for inside Ghana, but you do you do all your growing up things for Ivory Coast.
For Liberia too.
For Liberia. So, but aside that one, now we could leave that side and put for one side. Now, movies. We get some kind of pictures of you, and this they pay me every time I see them. Most times when they watch some of these movies, they see some kind of guy, they kiss you.
Which guy?
Wait, no, we go reach there. So they kiss you, they hold you, they form romantic things on top of your body. They pay me. Juliet, I they act.
Why?
As I be act, you understand?
I they cast though. I they take my time when I cast. I know they cast anybody. People like you.
What will be the criteria for casting? I they act, Juliet. If I act fire for you.
People like you will be greedy.
No, I know
they cast on that.
I will never put money first. My own is talent.
No, be greedy for money.
Greedy for what?
Greedy to kiss star or to kiss me.
No, it depends. You see, I'm very ungreedy. God dev know me, sir. I'm not a greedy nothing.
Okay.
I'm not going to act one now. I'm not. For just try one now.
Handshake.
Help my career. Handshake. I know that one. I just upcoming now. I'm
I'm
not the
acting
upcoming. No. I'm not an upcoming. Rams, no, they know me. I take them through teaching lectures that year.
No,
you understand?
You first start from somewhere.
But we get some of the pictures and we'll go now. You go there explain for us. What they happen for those particular pictures there.
Okay.
One by each. Because people they, you know, they follow you for Instagram. And they always look like, wow. No, nobody see what they on mind how they do your picture.
Oh, okay.
Some people they look at the picture. They're like, oh, yeah, see this one now. Wait till they happen for this place.
Oh.
Now, Mufe don't be this. So what did they happen for this?
Now video shoots.
Now video shoots.
Yeah, now video
shoots. Now this one they shoot video. And they also shoot. And they very good video vixen. And they do everything. Mostly on that picture. Yeah.
Hey. Now movie shoots.
You're me black with this.
Yeah.
Now movie shoots.
Yeah, movie shoots.
Oh yeah, make we still see another picture. Okay.
That one's no kiss. So.
This one no kiss.
No.
Okay, now for them now stop. They'll come get one final one. We can't finalize everything.
No.
Bam.
Oh.
This one. I cried 4 days. He paid me.
Why?
He paid me because I look and say, God, I dey kiss too. I said, if I chop your lips here, Juliet, I swear down, you don't go feel breathe. Serious. And they chop lips.
I want to breathe.
But seriously, this one are Brian now. And this one are a very good friend.
Yeah.
Because I see us nothing the role. Movies for you. I don't do come on the picture. Don't give me heart attack. It's okay. Thank you very much. Before you are breaking my heart. So how movies done be for you so far? Cutting from Ghana to Nigerian movies and every.
Well, so far, everything has been okay.
Okay.
Yeah. From I did act since 2005.
Okay.
Yes, and I did act in Nigeria since 2007.
I mean, you don't take for you that now.
10 years.
10 years
10
now.
years for the industry, yeah.
Casa. Hey.
So
that means you don't blend finish for this whole level.
I've been Naija girl now, sir.
But you gonna give us Ghana or Liberian pidgin, no? Just the truth can enter because now
Liberian
you full African.
Which
one?
That one you not gonna understand.
Liberian.
Then they speak pidgin like Creole.
You got their own tell the bed. You got to tell the talk something like that.
Very difficult to understand.
But you don't sabi speak that one.
So, I feel speak am.
If you speak am, more just hear small now. Just say Ogbolor, how you dey, how body, the late night show.
Ogbolor, how are you? Ogbolor, how are you? How you dey?
Now the Liberian that one's simple like that.
Very simple.
Ogbolor,
how are you? How are you? How you dey?
Just like that. All right, we leave that particular gist now. Still based on the. I don't notice many times you always change your looks. You always change your looks. Any reason for that particular one? Why you always change looks every time? So now I want to rebranding things.
No, not rebranding. I'll be chameleon. No, not really.
They wait like you don't change to the color of this
green
chair.
very soon. No, a bit like I like fashion.
Okay.
Yeah, I like fashion. So, so I just like to try new things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For this particular one, if let's say you dey try out Kim Kardashian things.
No. I know they copy people.
No, not be say copy, because I know say you get one thing you been do for stage some time back with AY.
That one has skit now.
That's skit, I mean.
Yeah, skit. Yeah.
But for this
but
one,
that one,
the
a
red
photo
hair.
shoot that they do. So I said make I try red hair.
Mm-hmm.
So I just did it.
This one now,
This one.
this one na
This one
costume.
na Halloween.
Okay, for Halloween. I can't the one that say, Abi, you go meeting for night.
No.
With this picture, maybe you know.
Nah, daytime be that now.
No, some people they catch them
like,
these days though.
They catch me for
they no go fit
if
go
they
change
catch me, you don't go to see me for TV.
No, seriously, they catch you. People talk say you dey act film.
Nah, Avatar be that too.
Avatar. Oh, not true.
Avatar now.
Na Avatar be that. But no, but seriously, if na so wish they be, I want your wish.
You want?
Serious. Then we get this particular one too. But this picture, aside from your hair, will change. I dey wonder what you they do with your face for this picture. Now still roll the heart for you because
no, this one. This one had to just tease somebody like you who like to kiss me in your mind.
Yes. Juliet, hey, if you know what I don't do for my mind like
I know.
this. Oh,
I can just imagine.
Oh. I said. Okay, but now you get your foundation, your Juliet Ibrahim foundation. What's your foundation day about? Because it's very important. Say most of these our celebrities, they always do something to give back to people. So tell us about what's your foundation day about.
My foundation is Juliet Ibrahim Foundation.
Okay.
What thing they do? They say we educate the public about kidney diseases. So in Ghana, we've been doing that for 3 years.
Okay.
And very soon, I won't bring them to Nigeria.
Okay.
So I did here because I did try to organize something like a kidney disease awareness walk with celebrities in Lagos.
Okay.
So we did plan to walk the streets of VI,
Okay.
you know, to bring that awareness. As we all know, it be the same thing where killed our brother Muna.
Yes.
So we have a couple of other celebrities currently that I know that they get kidney problems.
Seriously?
Yeah.
But nobody they talk?
No, we are. Most of them are shy to come out.
Okay.
Even for Ghana, we have our former Ghana Actors Guild president who is currently having 2 failed kidneys.
But
and he needs money. A lot of things like smoking, bad eating habits, intake of too much herbal medicine, diabetes. If you have high blood pressure before, you don't know, and it will kill your kidney. You know, there's a lot of things. Too much of obesity. If you are too fat in your family, or if you fat,
I just say for Lagos, just work out for road. If you just get us, because the smoke way full Lagos, you say they collect things. Your kidney all they feel.
Exhaust, all these inhaling of generators, stuff, all these things they cause them. But people don't know. So we they try to educate the public, make you know that if you see blood in your urine, go to hospital. You know, if you they go to toilet too much, frequent urine, you know, check yourself, check your kidneys. You know, even if your doctor tell you say it's fine, tell them say I want to check my kidney. You know, I know the every 6 months, every 3 months, go to hospital. Just say I want to check my kidney. It's very important because if you know early, you go feel stop them and treat yourself. You know,
Izybeatz, you dey hear?
So it's very important.
Because you know, let's say you always piss well. Go check yourself.
Every 1 minute, every 2 minutes, you feel like you want to piss.
If we look for that place, if you get like 4 bottles for that place, so, as the show they go, if you just they bend up, just keep our
very important.
The fear go be say the day when another person go come, they will take that juice. You all go collect them.
And go drink.
Oh, ew. I am ew. All right, now the very, very good one, and I hope say everybody will hear so go fit involved and you can decide to help you.
Even if they don't want help, make they help themselves and their family members.
Okay.
So you get, because this thing is becoming too much. I they get too many emails, you know, to my NGO. Too many. Please, this my brother is having kidney problem. This it's very expensive.
When you don't reach that stage.
When they don't reach the stage, like $100,000, $50,000 just to go and do transplant, and even to find somebody who go give you 1 kidney, no problem. You go pay somebody
kidney
to
donor.
Yes, another problem. So what I do with my NGO is to educate the public. Please don't let it reach that stage. Because everybody I know, it will get to that stage and now start suffering for money.
Exactly. Now that time it always come up and down.
So
as you do like this now, if you go check them,
please go check them. As you hear me talk, just go to hospital. Say make I check my kidneys. I don't feel fine, you know.
Okay.
So that's what I always.
Very nice one. I don't hear. Juliet don't tell you and say make una go outside there, make una go to check una kidney before time go reach some kind of thing. Me like this. Now after this show by tomorrow morning, and they go check my kidney.
I will call you to check.
Please, they just come in and they come to check on different things too.
No,
just
kidney. For the kidneys.
How are my lips doing?
Oh, no.
Different things, seriously. Because I'm very okay. Now, 50 Shades of Grey. I see where you put up for.
You know, I've not seen that movie.
You know what?
I don't even read the book.
You don't read the book?
I just like the songs.
Oh, these songs. But these days now, if you ever seen the apple for our cinema,
I hear.
50 Shades of Grey.
Even I know I did Vegas now for my birthday.
Okay. Last week.
Hey, do you know what happened?
What's happened?
Inside once, and I like it. It's called a museum or something. They show 50 Shades of Grey inside. They catch 2 people inside doing the thing. As they watch the movie,
they say, okay, baby, come. You know,
police came up.
Go try the whole thing. Police.
Yes,
the police carry them come out.
I swear.
If I be police, I just say, man, I couldn't finish.
That be why I don't think that I'm strong to go and watch it inside cinema. So I will just buy the DVD when it comes out. Then watch it.
Because I even hear say the book was past the film. But the film alone, one boy, get one guy with the cash last time. He don't go by force. Do one get one other person that they catch them. They say after they do the film finish, as people watch the film finish for inside cinema come out, pants just full everywhere for ground. Because they pack. Who guy this one?
For Nigeria, be?
Eh?
No, be for Ghana. Cinema for Nigeria.
Oh, for Ghana, they don't do that kind of
thing.
No. Why not? Everybody they form conservative. For some Ghana friends, one no, not be so.
No. They hide now.
Because everybody they always hide do their own thing. All right, but I just make I ask you because I noticed yes, you don't talk 1 or 2 things about time in the past.
And the music I like the music by Ellie Goulding.
Okay, yes. Okay. How you feel when they call you the most beautiful woman in West Africa?
And this one turns red instead of pink.
Onto blushing things.
Yes.
But how you always feel? Because most of them, because you be a person where I know say yes, you get brains.
I'm very honored.
You feel honored, Abi. One herself look me, you understand? I feel also pass for the most beautiful somebody in the whole of the western region of Africa. But Juliet, then your songs now, your songs. Because I know say, before I even talk of songs, now I know say you get beauty parlor, you get boutique, you get modeling agency, production house. You can't do music too. Only you.
Only me. I did start to direct very soon.
You direct very soon.
So they produce my movies.
I don't hear before. Say Lebanese people, they be like Igbo people.
I'm Lebanese Igbo.
So now your Lebanese side they talk for all this hustle.
Yes.
Hey. But for every woman with that side, they're very important. Say you must get different sources of income. Yes, so. They're very important. I know we're talking about thing, now good thing. I say your hustle they pay at the end of the day. But now onto your music team, make I talk of that one now. Your song we currently do on ground now. What's up, just us? What's the name of the track?
The name be Sholala.
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 I know say Izybeatz don't drop am already. Sholala. Make we just hear us, make we because of time and everything. More not just but Sholala. What's the meaning of Sholala?
What be the meaning of
Octongolo? I don't know that what carry go. But an explanation.
You don't get meaning. Just explanation of. You dey show love to your partner.
Okay. Sholala. Oh, my Sholala.
I go be your Sholala. Something like that. So like.
Juliet, you use me for that video.
I know shoot am yet too.
You know what shoot am?
You go feel apply.
I don't mind. I think you waka pass for the video like this. Waka pass, just like this.
And that video will be hot too.
Hey, Juliet.
You don't know what kind of costume I'm going to buy for Vegas.
Hey. For that video, Juliet.
First time ever I go dance inside video.
Oh, Kaka. See, you don't make my blood hot for this place now, and it's not too helping me out because I wear suits. So, but anyway, I would like to prepare for that video. Please, just give me one kind of very close row with you and everybody. Juliet, thank you very much for joining inside the studio. We know say you guys to run, go do other things now, but we really appreciate say you follow us down for the late night show. And as time they go on, we like to get you more and more and more. So thank you very, very much. And they wish you the best with your foundation too.
Thank you.
As they add value for this world, God said, they add value for your whole life.
Amen.
You understand? So Izybeatz will come out now, go on this break. By the time we come back, we'll continue with the rest of the show. We don't go anywhere. For now, me and Juliet Ibrahim get some ministry to attend to. We'll be back very, very soon. Don't go anywhere.
kissing.